Hey guys, привет! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to support my channel, get the lesson in PDF and join my Patreon. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to read correctly Russian words. At the end of the lesson, we will read a short text in Russian, following all rules of reading. Let's get started. At first, you should know Russian alphabet. If you don't, you can watch my video. While there are nuances, here are some fundamental rules to get you started. Vowels, consonants, soft and hard signs. Let's dive deeper into these aspects. There is a stress in Russian words. In any Russian words, any syllable can be stressed. Some vowels are read differently depending if it's stressed or unstressed. If it's under stress, the vowel is read as an alphabet. Now we will learn how to read vowels in an unstressed syllable. Let's begin with the vowel O. The vowel O is pronounced as A. Это. The most typical example is молоко. Here we can see two O which are unstressed and pronounced as A, and one O is under stress, and that's why it is pronounced as in alphabet O. Молоко. Молоко. And one more word, computer. O is unstressed, that's why we pronounce it as computer, not computer. The vowel Е is pronounced as И. Сестра, ребенок, тетрадь. But if it at the end of the word, it is read as Е. For example, поле, море, солнце. The vowel Я is pronounced as И. Тяжелый, лягушка. But if it is at the end of the word, it is read as Я. For example, тетя, дядя. Pay attention that the vowel Yo is almost always stressed, but it is not used when we write a word. We write Е instead. For example, ребенок, елка. Native Russian speakers just know that there is no word ребенок, but ребенок. No word елка, but елка. In my videos for level A1, A2, I write yo for learner's convenience, and you can remember the right pronunciation of the word. Let's move on to consonants. There are pairs of voiced and voiceless consonants. They are B, P, V, F, G, K, D, T, Ž, Sh, and Z, S. So, if a voiced consonant is in the final position, it is read as its voiceless pair. For example, G is pronounced as K in following words: друг, снег. Ж is pronounced as Sh, муж, еж. Д is pronounced as T, город, сад, and so on. Another aspect that influences the reading of consonants is assimilation by voicing and devoicing. Assimilation in Russian is a process in which consonants change their voicing or devoicing depending on their neighboring consonants. If a voiceless consonant stands before a voiced one, the voiceless consonant may become voiced and vice versa. For example, вокзал. It is pronounced as вокзал. The voiceless K stands before a voiced Z. That's why it is changed in voiced pair G. Besides, the vowel O is not under stress, That's why it is pronounced as A. So the word is pronounced as вокзал. Вокзал. One more example. Лодка. The voiced D stands before a voiceless K. So when pronouncing this word, D becomes the voiceless T. Лодка. Лодка. Вчера is pronounced вчера. Вкус. Вкус. This rule is the same for prepositions and prefixes. For example, с берега, с гитарой, отбежать. If two voiced consonants are at the end of the word, they both become voiceless. For example, виск, гроздь. Let's dive into factors that affect hardness and softness of the consonants. Let's compare a hard and soft consonant. B, hard, B, soft. M, hard, M, soft. T, hard, T, soft. This is largely determined by the vowel that follows. Such vowels as я, е, ё, и, ю typically follow soft consonants. For example, лёд, мяч, лёд, мяч. In these examples, vowels ё and я make consonants l and m soft. L, m. Soft sign always softens the preceding consonant. For example, белье, 9. Consonants L and T become soft. Hard sign prevents softening of the preceding consonant. Субъект, подъезд. Consonants B and D are hard. If the hard sign was omitted, sounds B and D would become soft, and these words would be read субъект and подъезд. Consonants Ж, Ш, Ц are always hard. For example, шея, центр, жираф. Consonants Ч, Щ are always soft. Чаща, чаща. Let's look at reading of combination of some letters. The combination of the letters S and Ch in Russian is most often pronounced as the soft sound Sh, similar to the sound in the word щетка. Щетка. For example, счет, счастье. We don't read these words as счет, счастье. One more combination, Ch, T, pronounced as шт. For example, in the word что. Not что, but что. Next combination, Ch and N, pronounced as шн. For example, конечно. Not конечно, but конечно. Combination of three letters Z, D, N, pronounced as zn. For example, праздник. We don't pronounce it as праздник, but праздник. Combination of letters G and K, sometimes pronounced as хк. For example, легкий, легкий. And combination of letters L, N, pronounced as N, солнце, солнце. Letters S, ya, ся at the end of the verb is read as ца. Заканчиваться, кончаться. And finally, let's dive deeper into hard and soft signs. These two symbols don't represent sounds themselves, but influence the preceding letters. The soft sign softens the preceding consonant. The hard sign separates a vowel from a preceding consonant, preventing softening. For example, день, соль, маленький. In these examples, the soft sign softens the preceding consonant. The hard sign is less common in modern Russian, but it still appears in certain words. Съемка, объяснение. But not all words can be read according to these rules. There are always exceptions. To read correctly, it's necessary to listen and repeat after the native speakers. Let's practice. Practice is divided into two parts. First part is reading words, and the second part is reading a text. Let's get started. Read a word and then repeat after me. Лето. Лето. Or is not under stress, and that's why it's read as A. Лето. Тепло. Тепло. Е is read as E. Цветы. Цветы. The rule is the same. Е is unstressed, and that's why it's read as E. Наслаждаться. Наслаждаться. In this word, the letter T has to become soft. But in verbs that end in soft sign ся, we don't soften it, and ся is pronounced as ца. Наслаждаться. Наслаждаться. Период. Период. In this word, Е is pronounced as E, and O is pronounced closer to U than to A. The voiced letter D becomes voiceless, as it is at the end of the word. Период. Next. Интересно. Интересно. Путешествовать. Путешествовать. T becomes soft before soft sign. Путешествовать. Впечатления. Впечатления. V becomes voiceless before the voiceless P. Впечатления. And the last word, воспоминания. Воспоминания. Now let's read a text. Listen and repeat sentence by sentence. Лето – это время года, когда тепло и светло. Солнце светит ярко, и дни длинные. Природа становится красивой и зеленой. Цветы распускаются, а птицы поют. В этот период начинается время отпусков и каникул. Ученики и студенты отдыхают от учебы. Многие люди едут на пляж, купаются в море и наслаждаются едой в кафе. Летом также интересно путешествовать и узнавать новые места. Лето – это время для отдыха и новых впечатлений. Мы можем наслаждаться вкусной едой, гулять на улице и создавать хорошие воспоминания. Good job! Thanks for learning Russian with me. Спасибо. Пока.